I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate-covered strawberries right in your own kitchen. First, select about 1 pound of fresh, firm strawberries, ensuring they still have their green stems. Gently wash each berry under cool water. This step is crucial. Thoroughly dry every single strawberry. Any moisture left on the fruit will cause your melted chocolate to seize, making it lumpy and unusable for dipping. Take your time to ensure they are completely dry. Next, let's prepare our chocolate. You'll need about 12 ounces of good quality chocolate, such as semi-sweet or milk chocolate. You can melt it using a double boiler, which provides gentle, even heat. Alternatively, use a microwave, heating in short bursts of 30 seconds. Stir the chocolate well after each interval. Continue this process until the chocolate is completely smooth and free of any lumps, ensuring it's not overheated to keep it glossy. Now for the fun part, dipping. Hold a strawberry by its green stem. Dip it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to ensure an even, beautiful coating. Lift the strawberry and allow any excess chocolate to drip back into the bowl. This prevents puddles at the base. Carefully place each chocolate-covered strawberry onto a sheet of parchment paper. If you plan to add sprinkles or other decorations, do so immediately before the chocolate begins to set. Once all your strawberries are dipped, it's time to let them set. Place the parchment-lined tray into the refrigerator for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the chocolate to firm up completely. Before the chocolate fully hardens, you can add decorative drizzles of white chocolate or other toppings. Once firm, your homemade chocolate-covered strawberries are ready to enjoy. For best results, serve them within 1 or 2 days, stored in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.